You laughed at us on the news, said the poor are going to the World Cup. But you made us poor. France, you taxed our freedom. Now we're here to collect. We rose in fire, we fought and won, beat your army, stood as one. But victory came with a price so cruel. You sent a bill like we were fools. Took our gold, drained our land, called us poor with blood on your hands. You built your banks, we dug our graves, and still today we're the ones enslaved. Did I have my money? Did I have my money? Did I have my money? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You taxed our freedom, now pay the debt. Pay us back our blood. We bled for what you kept. You did your study, we know the facts. Every coin, every cent, pay Haiti back. You owe us. You got rich off our chains. Reparations now. We want reparations now. You left us broken, claimed it was fate, but history shows the truth too late. We were the light, you made us fade in shadows deep where debt was laid. You called it justice, called it fair, but you were never really there. Now the world will hear our cry. We rise again and we won't lie. We're not begging, this is a bill. You robbed us blind, now pay your fill. From sugar fields to stolen gold, you broke the brave, but we still bold. No more silence, no more shame. Reparations in our name. You take our freedom, now pay the debt. My money, we coming with the truth, we coming for it all. Pay us back our money. This ain't a favor, this is a call. Every drop, every day from Haiti soil, give it back. We're done with toil. Give it back every day from Haiti soil. Give it done. Every drop, every day from Haiti soil. Give it back. We're done with soil. Give it back every day from Haiti soil. Give it back. We're done with toil.